Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get Canva Pro for students using a school email. Let's get started. First, open Google and search for Canva. Then, click on the official Canva website. Once you are on the Canva home page, click on your account button in the bottom left corner of the screen. Next, click on Plans and Pricing. A new page will open showing different Canva plans. Here, select the education option instead of the individual or business plans. After that, Canva will open the verification page. Enter your school email address and click on Continue. On the next page, you'll be asked to verify your student status by providing your school ID or any other required educational document, such as a teaching or student license if applicable. Once you submit your information, wait a few moments while Canva reviews your verification. After your verification is approved, your account will be upgraded, and you'll be able to use Canva Pro for education for free with your school account. You can now enjoy premium templates, graphics, AI tools, and many other pro features without paying for a subscription. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.